All right, we're gonna start streaming here live, the YOLO Hour. You know what time it is. You got my beautiful face on the screen. Here it goes. We just went live on YouTube. Good deal. I don't have to do a countdown like I usually do. Your host for YOLO Hour is Mark Maddox, the one and the only. We are sponsored by StockTrade.tips. Join us there in the Telegram channel. It's free. We got about 350 members right now. It's a good old time over there. Real quick before we get going here, let's see what the markets are doing. The markets are up big time. The markets are up for the week right now. Dow's up 573, Nasdaq's up 174, and S&P is up 63. The only down part of the market right now seems to be real estate. And looking at our recent quotes right over here, GOED we called this morning at 10% up. And then we had some other GMS was our call from last night. It was up 4%. So did well on that one. So with that being said, let's get over to it. I think you guys can see this. And then I've got the Webull account set up right now. And not sure why I've got positions here. I've closed them all out. Maybe I was playing with them. I don't know. So let me get these off the screen and we'll get moving, if you would. Close order, boom, and then close order, boom, and we are off. We're off hunting rockets now. Make sure those are out. In fact, I lost some money from yesterday because I did not look at that. Going to scroll down here really quick. Now, we're going to have some grinders here, guys. We're going to have some grinders that are going sideways. We're going to have some grinders that are grinding up. Again, where we spot the rockets is about 2 o'clock, 2:30, and about 10 minutes till. And it's just the way it works out. We know it because we see it every day. So, and we do this every day. Glad you guys are joining us. If you are joining the YouTube, please announce yourself in the chat. And if you spot any rockets, let me know because we are moving now. All right, I'm going to go through here. I'm going to tell you some grinders and then some stocks that we need to look out for that could turn into rockets. AMBA up 2%, grinding. RCell looks like it's going sideways now, but it's up 6% grinding. OLT is one that we're going to, Joseph, my man. Are you going hard today? Are you going to trade heavy? OWLT grinding of it. It's only up 2.5. It looks like it could go. In fact, let's jump on this one. I'm going to go with this one. OWLT. Let's take a position. OWLT. It's not the exact rocket yet, but I'm going to take a position here. We're going to go 10, buy, boom. Let's go. And then I need to close these out. I don't know why it's not closing them out. Close this one out too. All right. And let's get back to it. So OWLT, we just took it here because I think it's going to turn into one. It's very early, but I'm feeling it. What was I don't even know what the ZY may turn into one. ZY, is that who I think it is? No, it's Zymergen, but that is a hard grind up with the ZYG. James Hill, what's up? GOAD has been involved. Hey, let me tell you something, James. Were you in the Telegram channel this morning pre-market? I said GOED. I said GOED had some insider buys. Bam, it hit 13%. So, but it opened up 1%. So it's grinded all day long. So that's been a good stock. Just like we called GMS last night, it's up 5%. So, which is that's pretty good. Again, the strategy is working, and that's why we follow the insiders and the smart money, the dark pools, the hedge funds, and the C-level executives. ZIOP is grinding hard, guys. It may go parabolic here in just a minute. It's already up 11%. No, it was not. I'm up 16% today. Congratulations, brother. Being up 16% is a good damn day. If you could do that once a week or once every 2 weeks, you'd have a hell of a return at the end of the year. Let's look at BLCM. BLCM. It's got a little bit of volume. Do we want a BLCM? Why not? We're at the beginning. BLCM. Well, we're going to hope the FOMO is going to kick in here, and we're going to rock and roll with it. I cannot get ACT off my balance sheet or off my P&L for some reason. Don't know why. We're up $2 already. We're gonna spin the casino wheel and get back at it. It is going ballistic, but I don't know if that one's really got the volume, or it's going to attract a lot more volume than's already there. Made some cheese on. Nice, brother. Joseph, stick with me, brother. I'm going to take you to the promised land. Again, it's not me, guys. We're just following the insiders. That's what we've always done. Now, we missed this rocket. I started at 145. It looks like it's turned back. It may turn up. NGL. Keep an eye on NGL, guys. But again, it's an energy stock, so those get, not to make an excuse, but those typically pivot pretty quickly. ZIOP is on the grind, like we had said before. But again, guys, we just use the insiders. Insiders is what we look at, right? GOD, I think it does close over 350. I saw on the stock twits board that a lot of people are calling for $4. Now understand, GOED is a volatile, very volatile retail penny stock. That's what it is, right? So it's easily manipulated up or down. So you got to understand that. We are seeing some stocks turn over or go directionally sideways. So we need to factor that in as we move down here. Just look at Staff. Looks like it may have turned up here. Staff did this to us 2 days ago. If you recall Staff, what kind of volume we got here? It's got enough. I'm gonna take a small position. STA. Oh well, it's all gonna be exactly the same. 10 shares. If y'all hadn't noticed, I'm doing paper trades because of my tax issues or my upcoming tax issues that I may or may not have. My CPA thinks that I will, but we think that we can get around it. TASK has turned it on. We just viewed it live there on the Robin Hood. We're going to buy. We're taking 10 shares of that. Let's get into it. Look at that. Straight up. I just did a buy, bro. What's up? 10. All right, there. Task. Nice. That turned up quick. Look at, we're up. Looking nice. ACT. Get me out of that. Close it. So, all right. Got to get my house in order, the risk management in order, and we're moving again, guys. All right, I'm going to spin the casino wheel. Let's see it again. ZIOP grinding. Task we just saw push up hard. ATIF is pushing up hard, but it looks like it just did a pivot and pullback. NGL, same thing. That must be an energy stock type of thing. Something pumped energy. By the way, FireEye is changing names to some goofy name. I like FireEye. They're a network security company. I actually sold a piece of IP to them when they first got started back in 2005. But anyway, FINV grinding up. PXLW grinding up 5%. That could turn into a rocket quick, guys. That is Pixelworks, and we know they got the volume to turn quick. It's a grinder right now. Let me know if it turns. Let me get on down here towards the bottom. Again, we've got to go through 400 stocks. GODCU put out a ballsy letter. Oh, did he? GOED. What was the guy's name? Was it Allaire or Alary? I'm trying to think of the CEO's name because I've actually watched some stuff. TNXP guys. Ooh, nope, missed it. What was his name? Yeah, so in the penny stocks, they're going to start. Look, when you're betting the pennies for the bennies, let me tell you what's going to happen there. They are literally going to stuff PR releases down their throats. Now, the CEO is pretty ballsy there, but they lose money. They're losing like $16 million a year per the financials. GBDC is grinding up. Let me tell you why. Crypto just went nuts like an hour ago. Like Bitcoin's up $2,200 in 2 hours. So it is a crazy world in crypto. By the way, I've got some crypto. I've got one crypto price target that I think you guys will like. The crypto's above that, so you can just remain long, or you can take it down. Gray, GARY is going ballistic, guys. Where's my GRAY? Gray Bug Vision. Is that the one we want to buy? Yeah, I guess it is. Paper trade. Here we go. We are down $3 today. We got to move, guys. We got to move. I should cut that one right now. Let me move down here pretty quickly as we do the YOLO Hour. Glad you're here, Albert Flortini. Yeah, I think there's a. Okay, yes, I saw when he sized up, but there's another. Maybe it's a COO. You could look on FinViz though for sure to know. In fact, I've got Godecker up right here. Let me look really quick because I was just looking at it. I thought it was going to tell me. Is this Godecker? Yeah. So it's got the CEO as Douglas Moore, Hargrove. Yeah, Albert Flint. The guy, they're president of ACI. There's a bunch of, all right, so Godecker basically rolled up a bunch of companies, right? And so there may be more than one CEO. Again, it's a penny stock, and I'm not sure exactly what they do. All right, or specifically what business they're in. I do know that they bought a $100 million appliance business. I think the largest appliance business in the U.S., a private. Look at REKR, guys, grinding hard, up 13%. That stock has been off and on, but it's having a hell of a day-to-day. Let's pump it up. PALI up 8%. Looks like it's grinding. Could be going, might be directly, well, it looks like directionally it's going sideways now. I am seeing some stocks turn over, guys. There's SNOW. We talked about the price target yesterday. It'll be long at 326. It's at 321 right now. So understand where you're at. You want to get long at 326. Joe AN Crafts is grinding up at 3%. We've seen it turn up this week hard. In fact, I think I had it on Monday as a insider bought bit down hard on that one. Ramp is doing well today, 2.6 and still grinding up. Looks to finish strong. We got some turnover, guys. I wonder what the BSQR. Now we know this one can go. All right, BSQR. Let's take that bad boy down. Yes, that's the one. Buy 10 shares. Yes, we go. All right. Now I am going to look at Task real quick. Task has turned down. It did a pivot, pull back, and now it looks like it wants to take out some more. We'll see. We'll continue to stay in that position, and B squared just turned down on me. Damn it. So let me move down here through the 400 stocks. Task looks like it's still doing what we want it to do, but again, we saw in the actual chart it had turned back. Maybe that's a good a small pullback so it can push higher. Long is pushing higher at 3%. It's not going parabolic though, which is exactly what we want to see in that. G-Box is turned over. G-Box turned over yesterday on us too. So watch out for that one if you're still in that stock. ENSC, let's go. Is it on a is it on the parabolic tour? Nice, up third. Went as high as 26. What'd you get? Oh, you're up 46 in it. Nice, man. Very nice. Nice grinder for the month. It's up 64. Congratulations, Billy. Congratulations. Good to have you on here, Billy. Join the fun. All we do is hunt rockets on the YOLO Hour. It's insane. And we are looking at PXLW. Looks like it could turn parabolic very, very soon. We'll wait for Pixelworks on that one. Continue to roll down here. Got a price target on EQIX. EQIX I was looking at last night. 840. 840 is, you want to get long at 8, or not financial advice, but I would get long at 840. Price target is 1,000. So that's got a fairly good risk reward there. It is an expensive stock, so watch out for that. Watch out for AEHR. Again, it's got to clear the tower. It's got to clear the intraday high, but it looks like it could rocket. It looks like it's the turbos could be turned on and the ignition switched to on. So we are seeing some turnover. What is the main market doing? Is it turning over a little bit? Little bit of turnover there, guys. So we need to watch out for it. View looks like it is continuing to grind up. Doesn't look like it might go parabolic though. We'll see. Snow could. That's an expensive stock. We talked about it in the price target of what was it, 326. And then let's see what else we've got here. BSQR has turned back on me. That is a dump. I've got to dump out, guys. Sorry. BSQR. Well, I'm just down 10 cents. So, all right, looking. BLDE is now positive and up 2%, grinding up. We've got a grinder in OIIM, and that is on quite the trajectory. Do I want to take that one? I will not. All right, let me spin the casino wheel here, see if we can get the triple cherries, the triple sevens on the stocks. Thank you, sir. Hoping to get some more good ones on your recommendations. I did price targets yesterday. I'll go back and do some today if you guys missed them. PLTR, Palantir, you want to get long at 28. I believe it's close to that or it's gone over that. If that's Palantir, you want to get long at 28. Price target's 34. Jump in after 28 and stay long, and you want to jump out at 34. That's what I'm doing. Again, not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. Did the TA over the weekend on quite a few stocks that I did yesterday. So we'll go back through these. Is anybody seeing rockets today? RDS. Atil, is this just you? Because it's Shell. It's like an aircraft carrier. Dang, that's big. That is big. I mean, the market cap has shrunk, but for a $100 billion company, up 3% is a nice day for sure. We had Facebook down yesterday 4% because the CTO, last name is Bosworth. You gotta love that name. He said, it's been 13 years. I don't want to deal with this anymore. I'll just advise y'all. So he took off. All right. Starting to see a little bit of red here too, guys. Just letting you know. More red than I saw before. Task looks like it's still pointed directionally up. BLCM looks like it's pointed directionally up. None of these are going parabolic yet, though. NGL, let's be glad that we didn't take that one. That one is now directionally sideways. And we continue to scroll down. Ride has had a hell of a day at up 9%, if you did not know. Let's see what else we got here. As I scroll down, Etsy, you want to get long at 209, get long at 209. You got a price target of 335. Good risk reward there. Again, I don't know exactly where the stock is at today or really the last couple of days. I was just doing the TA. I can't remember where the stocks were. LXU looks like it could really, it's grinded all day long. LXU's up 13%. Congratulations to the Bulls there. REPH and Lung both could turn up real soon here. Lung has got the volume to turn up on us, but we want to chase some serious rockets. Anybody see anything? Take a peek at Best. Yes, Best moved up on the Reddit sentiment chart that I send out. Yeah, I can see why this is up. Again, retail stock up 42% in a week. You got a lot, and that's a grinder too. In a month of 82%, that is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Is this Best? This isn't Best Buy though, right? No, this is the Chinese company because it's a penny stock. That's nice, very very nice. Who's got Best? James, good job there, brother. Yeah, so I very a lot, 2 or 3 times a day. I'll put out the Reddit sentiment. I just saw Best move up yesterday. BLCM is still turned back a little bit, but we still have a position there. I saw Best today. Well, I saw it last night, and then we saw it today move into the top 5 most mentioned tickers on Reddit. So congratulations there. Good risk reward there because, I mean, it's a penny stock. Yep. Chinese. Oh, it's a trucking company. Have you watched Mark Cuban's, what was the movie that he made about China? I mentioned it on YOLO before, but yeah, he had a movie about China, and and 2 or 3 of them were like trucking companies. VISL guys is almost 6-7% now, grinding up, getting some turnover here. GENR GENI. Let's go. Let's get it. GNI on that one. Sports Limited. We're going 10 shares. Going to buy. Paper trade is in. All right, let me see what my P&L looks like. Task is doing me good. Let me see what the chart looks like. Got to close that one. I need to see what Outlet is looking like. It is definitely down. I'm going to close that one as well. So some of these may turn back on me. Let's get back into it. All right. Now, GENI does have the volume, so it will catch FOMO, and it's cleared the tower too, guys. GENI. I think that one might be a big one today. We might get 1 or 2% out of it, which would be nice. CLMT has cleared. Cleared the tower. It's got okay volume. I don't think I'm not gonna bust my ass to get on that one just yet until it's clearly a rocket. Now, if you guys are new here, FCL, got it. FCL, FCEL. Let's go. Nice grinder. Good grind here. What's this done for the week? 16% for the week, 14% for the month. So it literally has turned a corner. It found a bottom, is what it looks like. Probably right around the 558. So that becomes your really your base support there. But great. It's not a rocket, but good. That's just a good stock. And it's a Reddit stock too. Just so you know, Atil. Hey bud, thanks for being here, man. DATS. Did DATS just do something crazy? I like this DATS, and we know DATS will run too. So DATS, I'm gonna jump on that one. It's not parabolic, so be warned. I wouldn't go in hard. Again, not financial advice. But DATS has done this before, and it went so at 150, and it's continuing to move. It's up 19. I bet that sucker could possibly get to 25, 26. I don't think it hits 30 though. I just don't. But it will have the FOMO behind it though, which is nice because that's what we're liking to see. BCLM may have turned the other way, but we're out of that position. Now we're just looking at the casino, getting down here to the bottom stocks. Again, guys, if you did not know, if you're new here, this is 400 stocks that we go through, and we try to anything that does go parabolic or as an insider trade, we try to add to this. So we're probably up to about 440 now. One of the reasons we use Robinhood is so one is the slippage sucks. I get it. But two is I can spot the rockets very, very quickly. So if you're new here, that is what's going on. The YOLO Hour is getting more popular. View, guys, is still grinding up. If you want a grinder, that is one that I like. Maybe even for the overnight risk if it can continue. Snow is the same way. Snow's a little bit more of a it's really more of, well, it's an expensive stock. Let's just stick it there. But again, you put $100,000 into a $1 stock or $100,000 into a $100 stock, and it's about the percentage. You're going to make exactly the same, right? It's just which stock is going to be better. BLDE is about to clear the tower and about to go parabolic. IONS may do the same thing. Continue to track those as we continue through here. If you want to talk some crypto, I got if you guys know about Algorand, and a lot of these are the same. There's Helium is the same, AVAX, and they're all about the same. But on the algo, you want to clear 180. It's at $2 now, so you want to get long it. You got to be patient there. The price target is the all-time high, and I forget, I did not write down the all-time high, but you want to stay long if it's 180 or above. And again, it's about $2 today after it just went, like crypto just went ballistic the last 2 hours. Again, if you want to find beta, or sorry, if you want to find more alpha, the more alpha is going to be in crypto. I'm just telling, we chase rockets here, and we take some risk. And again, it's not financial advice, and we're not doing due diligence, and we don't do research. But if you want to find the, look at ELOX, guys. We're on it. ELOX, ELOX. ELOX is parabolic. It's got the morning wood we'd like to see. Boom, we're gonna buy. We're gonna take on 10 shares. Then we're gonna do some cleanup here. DATS went the wrong way quick. Damn it. All right, got to close that one because I'm not taking losses today. I'm going to trade. My P&L is up to $50. I wanted to be up to 50 yesterday. DATS that should clear off. ELOX, oh yeah, I think we got into a good one here, guys. Gotta love that one. DATS did not turn out the way that we thought it would. We had DATS last week that went off the chain. James, GOED at intraday high right now. Hey man, I'm telling you, GOED it is directionally one of the most bullshit stocks. It really is, but it is a Reddit stock, and in fact, we can look at it really quick. Check out this. So it's got the float is, it's not showing it on, why is it not showing it on Finviz? The float is small, and it's got high short interest, and you can tell it's had the high short interest. Look at this. It's been beaten down all damn year. It climbed up to February. February was its high, and then it's just gotten, it got one pump here with the Reddit crowd, and then it's just gotten beaten down the rest of the way. That's GOED. And you'll see a lot of stocks like that. You know, the Reddit crowd does that. STIM, guys. Ooh. And that one can move too. No, that's not the, I'm thinking of STEM, I think. But anyway, so you'll see a lot of Reddit stocks just like that. The reason it's gotten beaten down like that is because it's got the high short interest. But when the retail crowd, like the Reddit crowd, steps in, you'll see them do that. And it looks like Reddit crowd might be stepping back into GOED. So that's a good call. Joseph, are you going heavy? What's up, bro? Because I know you were talking about GOED today, right? Yeah. Grinding, ASND grinding as well. Let's get on one that's grinding. SENS grinding up as well. That's a good stock too. And it's gone parabolic a lot. All right, look at Cassie here. We missed the parabolic move. It went 4% in 5 minutes, and looks like it's turned back. Let me look at it on the. Let me look at this CASI. Let me see what's up with this. It's got the candles. It's moving back. The bulls are in control. I'm gonna buy this for 10 shares, guys. CASI. Even though it looks like it's all right. I've got some turning back on me here. What is gray doing? Going sideways. We'll jump out of that. Close that one out. Sell. What's Genie doing here? It's directionally. Wrong one. Pivot. It's pivoted and pulled back. That's GENI. Thought we might get a little bit of some beta from it today. We are not. So, and now I'm down to. I'm down 30 already. Damn. What am I missing here? ELOX, gray. I'm closing that. Why is it not closing? All right. Got to get back to the Rockets, boys. Oh, Kathy just F'd me. Completely F'd me. Might have been in that stock. I'm going to close that. It just went the wrong way, playa. Hey, you're going the wrong way, playa. All right. Back to it. Back to the Rockets. Nothing too big yet. Okay, cool. We got ZY, man. Is ZY wants to run. This, you know what? I'm not gonna bet it, but watch that in the last 10 minutes here. We're 20 minutes, 28 minutes in here to the YOLO hour, the most insane hour on the internet. And AUDC grinding up 3, almost 4% now, guys. STIM, God, that is so close to a rocket since we're at the top. You know what? I'm going to take this one down to STIM. I need one to run, and so I can just jump on it, stay on it. We're going to buy our 10. Boom, let's go. Let me do. Has task already turned back? Good Lord, buddy. you had the world in the palm of your hand. But again, I don't blame people for taking profits. I say this every time on YOLO Hour. You guys are probably tired of me saying it, but when you get up, and again, we've had 3 bad weeks, guys. 3 bad weeks. We're finally up this week in the major indices, right? So you've had 3 bad weeks, and your stock's up 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 15% for the week or the month. You're going to take some profits. That's just smart. That's what you do. I guess Kimberly's not on today. She was going to stop by and say hi. We had a couple new people in the chat yesterday late, which was good to see. Like to see the guys that not just listen, but actually get involved in the chat. And if they see anything, or something just turned up, guys. LPTH. LP, has it cleared the tower? 244. It's 244 now. Who wants to bet it turns back right here? What's the volume? Volume is, turned back. Boom. Seen it too many times. What was that one? ZY? Nope, it turned back too. But that's just a pullback for ZY. It's having a day. BLCM is pulled back. We know that. ASND, guys, you may want to look at that one. I know that's been a popular stock. It looks like it's just going sideways now, but it's had a hell of a day. Looking at what's going on here in the chat. If I'm missing something, guys, let me know. We want to find, the more people we get involved here, the more rockets we find, the more money we can make. And if something turns down, let me know that too, so I can jump in there and do some risk management. If clean some shit up, if you would. I'm seeing look at ATNF. It just went positive. It's on a rocket ship. Look at that. Now it got turned down as soon as it went positive, but it's one that we can watch. Let me get down here to the bottom, guys. Got to move here. Got to spin that casino wheel so we can get some snake eyes here pretty soon. Give me a rocket. Where are GRAY? Looks like it may have turned back up on us. I may have jumped out of that position too early. Looks like some volume has gotten behind it, and now it is going. It's turned back up, so it's done a double pivot. Is that even a trading term? A double pivot? It is in YOLO Hour, and I'm going to use it. So no rockets in the chat. Hard to believe. GOED, like I said, we called it this morning. Got to get in that stocktrade.tips Telegram channel. Not a lot of chatter this morning. I had some chatter pre-market. That's where we called GOED. We also had last night GMS, and it's up 5% as well. So understand that ELOX has turned back. We knew that though. I thought ELOX would run. I thought a couple of these would run. Nothing's really run for us yet, guys. That's what's crazy about this. What are the markets doing specifically? Just directionally sideways. Great day to trade. The risk was on today, but it was a great day to trade. Risk on basically means risk off. If y'all didn't know, that's just I don't know why the traders deem it that way. Look at record, guys. 14%, and it opened up one up. Nice. That's like the GOD call. AMBA looks like it's grinding. We had it. Did we have it yesterday or was it last week? There's so many stocks, so few time. What's going on? Is Bros back? What? Bros is not a rocket yet, but it's one to dude. This coffee shop has got me. It peaked out at 24%. That was on Monday. Yeah, it just went. But I mean, if you want to follow one get a little bit more long term, maybe a swing trade, that is not a bad one. I don't know all the fundamentals. I don't think that really counts. But if you're just going off a price and the grind that it's doing after its IPO, you gotta love that. They've got 400. So I was looking at it. They have 450 locations. Did STEM just turn up again? Dang it. 450 locations for Dutch Bros. Was looking on once you see it's really weird. Like if you buy a new car, Oh, guys, BGI. We're on BGI. Just went parabolic with the morning wood, and we're jumping on BGI. If it's buy 10, get me in there now. Love the BGI. Look at that. Boom. That is parabolic. All right, we got in there. Why am I short on that one? Just close it. Gray. E-locks is turned back on me. We're out of that one. Close it. Is anything else hurting me? Guys, I haven't. BLCM is a little bit of it's really our best runner, and that's not even good. We're down about $4 today. $4. Yesterday we were up 36, and today we were as high as 50. So we've lost some since yesterday, and we've definitely lost some since we started Power Hour. Now, Rocket Bros has been having a lot of action last hour this week. I've been in and out for a lot. My wife contributes a lot to them, so I figured I might try to get some money back. SSY, guys, we got a that's a full-on rocket. SSY, I'm jumping it. SSY, we are seeing a very nice parabolic move up, and we'll see where we end up with the slippage. Nice green candles. Bulls are in charge. Let's see if this move. If it's moving down, it might be. Yeah, it's moving down. It looks like the bears might be in charge of this one, just as we jumped in. SSY. That may be a loser, guys. Dang it. Yep, it turned down. All right, let me get to the bottom. Moving quickly. DNN looks like it could. MVIS, guys, look at MVIS. We've seen it many times on the YOLO Hour, and it has gone parabolic. It has gone straight up, and with that big green candle we love to see. It looks like it could today. STIM. Maybe I jumped out of that one a little bit too early. If you guys like to ride the grinders, that is one you want to ride. Cassie has turned complete. Look at that, guys. We took that one. It went to 4%, and now it's down back to 2%. So it definitely did the pivot and the pullback hard. You know what I mean? Don't even know what that stock does. AGFY could turn into a rocket. It's up 12%. Let's look at it real quick. It's got. Let me, you know what? I'm going to take AGFY. I'm going to take it down. I actually like this one, AGFY, because it doesn't pump too often. But with that, it just looks like it might run for us. Looks like BGI has gone the wrong way. Let me jump in there. Bulls are still in control of that one. So we'll continue to keep that one. Of course, Agrify, which I just got into, now wants to go sideways on me. ZIOP, we thought it might be a rocket, and it's turning into the grinder. That's a tough call. I'm going to hold off on that one. If you guys see something, let me know. Well, what was that one? That's the Cassie that went, that did the pivot, the pullback on us. We've got IPA. We've seen this one go straight up before. We will jump on that one. IPA was good to us last time that it pumped. So we'll jump on it as well. Look at my positions here. AGFY is doing me a favor here. It's going the wrong way now. Take my profit. Close that. I'll take that profit before it's completely gone. BCLM. Bulls are in control of that one. I can't jump out of that yet. Got to keep that one up. All right, we're moving. So hopefully Immune Precise stays parabolic for a little while. And let's go find those rockets. Anybody, James, on FinViz, what basic screeners do you use to find opportunities? There are quite a few. I've done some TikToks on probably 3 different ones. Give me a second. IG. This is did not go. You want to look at the high short interest. You want to make sure that that it is 5% away from its all-time high. Again, guys, let me give you a little tip here. All-time highs beget all-time highs, right? I know you like to play in the penny stocks and the Reddit stocks and the meme stocks, and that's all cool and great, right? But the stocks that really continue to do well are the ones that are within 5% of their all-time high. Again, I did a YouTube video on this. All-time highs beget all-time highs. Understand that, right? So if your stock continues to make all-time highs, it's probably going to continue to make all-time highs, right? Until there's a micro catalyst or a macro catalyst. This needs Tattoo Chef needs to clear the tower. It's at 1999. I bet it gets turned back. Let me look at the volume. The volume's there though. It could pump if it wants to. Keep an eye out for TTCF, guys. TTCF is Tattooed Chef. Yes. Going back to what I was just saying, all-time highs, that's the ones you want to play with. You want to play with the low float stocks. The low float stocks. Low float to me is really under 50. If you really want to get under 20, those are the ones that can really blast off because it doesn't take a whole lot of ganging up in that stock. But again, those are more volatile stocks too. So understand that, James. So those are ones. I do like some institutions. I like to see by institutions in at least 20% of the stock. That tells me that it's got like there are some institutional investors that believe in that stock, right? You'll see a lot of these Reddit and penny stocks. The reason the institutions are in is because they have short interest. But my point is that you still want to see about 20%. Plus, the high short interest doesn't hurt to be in it because those are the ones that'll squeeze. ADVM, guys, we know it's gone parabolic before. 228, and it's sitting on 228 right now. It does have the volume. It's got to clear that intraday high. And I bet it, gosh, that is a one to take a chance on. While I'm looking at this thing, let me see where I'm losing. I'm at zeros on most of these. What's the Berks group? It's trying to pull back, or no, it's trying to move up. Did it just clear the tower? No, it's ADVM, guys. You know what? I'm going to take a chance on ADVM because it's been so good to us in the past. And we know it's an absolute Reddit favorite. Or it has been, at least for the, at least somewhat part of this year. And I think we just cleared the tower. Nice. Let's see what that can do. Now it's barely, it's at 228-ish. The stock's at 229. So it really hasn't cleared the tower per se, but it's very, very close. All right. Is anybody seeing anything else? We need to move here and move quickly. We are 18 minutes away from the closing bell. I want to see 2 or 3 more rockets. I didn't even check the P&L. I would bet I'm still down though. IPA looks like it's still pointed directionally up. My throat's getting sore. All right. Long is still grinding. That may have been one we wanted to get into, but it has not turned up like we thought it might. LUNG. GLNG, now that is natural gas grinding up. Again, guys, understand we need natural gas. We need crude and natural gas, but natural gas for sure, especially as we go into the winter. So understand that the natural gas look at surf. All right, we're jumping surf. Surf has been one that that has done this for us before, and we've made money off of it. It's so funny that some of the same stocks, right? It never fails. What's the Berks group doing? It's still bulls are in control there. What's the SSY? Jumping out of that one. Close it. Doing some cleanup here. I'm still down $3 from yesterday. Damn it. What is going on with the P? You know what? This Berks one, I'm not really from. I don't know what I'm doing there. That one we're out of. I'm just even on this one, but ADVM, it looks like the Bears are in control there, guys. I'm going to jump out of that one. I can't afford to lose money today. It looks like I'm zero. Let me look at bulls there. Service. Bears may actually get that one. Berks group, yep, just happened. We're out. Closing that one. Let's go find some rockets. We got 20 minutes. Did I say that correctly? 20 minutes. Boom. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Give me something. USWS. Love it. USWS. Oh, this is well started. This is crude. All right. It is not clear. So it needs to go positive here, but that is we've seen this one pump before. It needs to go positive. It's basically right at its intraday high. This is one I would almost guarantee you a teal on this one. It's going to turn back right as it goes positive, but keep your eye on this one. And if it clears, if it goes green and goes positive, then we want to jump on it. LNW, got a long way to go on that one as well. But again, I think you guys are figuring out the rules. BGI guys, BGI, that's the Birch group. So did I get out of that too soon? It's heartbreaking when it pulls back. It does a full pivot, pulls back, and now looks like the bulls are back in control of that one. Scrolling down now here in the casino, just saw one right here, IPA. We're in that one still. Nice that it's still pointing straight up. Well, not straight up, but it's parabolic enough to be considered a rocket. Surf, we're on that one. It's grinding. It's almost parabolic. XL looks like it wants to go parabolic. ATNF is grinding now as positive and is turned back. Wow, looks all green. Yeah, I mean, got a lot of green on the screen. Got a lot of grinders too, which you'd like to see. The overall market looks like it's just going sideways now. It's not selling off, which is good to see. That means that if hang on just a second, guys. Zers, all right, did not clear the tower. It got turned back, but that thing can move. It's got it. We've seen it before. I'm going to take XERS out too, just really quick. We've seen. I don't think we've ever made money off XERS, but certainly it's moved for us before. We've got 6 positions going on 7 positions now. All right. Yeah, it's looking all green. Not seeing a sell-off in the market. That would indicate to me, right, just from my experience and reading and kind of understanding that could be a very good thing for the market tomorrow. So understand that, especially with all these grinders. The macro drives a lot of these growth stocks that you see on the screen that we're moving through fairly quickly here to find our rockets. Just understand the macro drives a lot of these stocks. So if the macro starts to sell off, you'll see a lot of these growth stocks selling off. I was about to jump on surf again, but we're already in position there. REKR has just grinded up 15%, started 1% up. Archon, what's the one that we had yesterday that did great today? I'd have to look on the movers, but was it RKS that we got yesterday? And it continued today. There were 2 yesterday that we saw in YOLO Hour that were by midday today, they were still the largest or one of the biggest movers, right? So stayed positive too. So look at everything's turning up. BSQR's turned up. BLIN, we know that is a Reddit stock for sure. SPY seems to have created a new support at 443. Nice. Again, when you say 4436, remember it's not a pencil line. It's a thick marker, right? Because stocks tend to get real. Look at Zella. This is a stock that's burned me before many times, and not just in Power Hour. It's cleared the tower, so here we go. I'm gonna go against ZELA. If there's one stock this year that I've lost money in, and it's not during YOLO Hour, it's been Zella. So let's see what it can do for us today. All right, guys, I got to get to the bottom here. You got to scroll fast. I'm sorry if it looks like a blur on the screen to you guys. I'm sure it does. But if you guys, are you still holding a firm? No, I am not. I jumped out of a firm yesterday, in fact. So, no, I jumped out of a firm after hours yesterday. I did not want the overnight risk. I did not know what today was going to bring. Certainly, sometimes that's a bad decision. But depending on where you are on the Evergrande and what China did. China had to inject, guys, just so you know, 18 billion. It looks like they've injected more. It looks like they're going to take care of AFRM is on a rocket. Oh, yes, it is. Let's take, because that one will move. AFRM, boom, 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 and we're on that one. We're looking all green down here. Surface is turned back. Bears are in control there. That's why we're going to get out of that one. See, Zella is we've already got ours. I got a firm. I get some slippage on a firm. I'm down $4 exactly. Still down $4. Crazy. I think I'm thinking that we have a better day today, but yet the P&L is not playing out like that. I know we had some rockets yesterday, some really good ones. I guess they were more sustained though, right? So something is turned up here in my options. You can see right here that like my option game with growth stocks being directionally sideways and just a lot of chop. Yeah, it's not very good right now. It's not very good. It's just the TA on that has not played out. Most of those stocks are trading in ranges though, and that's what I've been looking at. Again, the crude range, if you had another crude futures, I don't know if you guys trade that, between 66 and 76. What do we got? Zella still moving up, looks like, and we're still. ARC is up 1%. If you've got long positions in ARC, all the ARCs are up 1%. Are we seeing a sell-off right now? Because I'm kind of seeing some things turn over. No, just, well, a little bit in the S&P, a little bit in the Dow. So we are off our highs. I wouldn't call it a sell-off yet, though. VBIV, we know it can move. So let's go VBIV. VBIV, if I'm saying that correctly. I'm going to buy 10 there as well. Paper trade that. So I just, a firm just kicked my ace. I'm down 7. What is going on? Wow. Dang it. Down 12. Got to jump. Cannot lose that kind of. That is going to be hard to make up on a day like this. And it looks like a lot of stuff has turned red. BBIV we just got into. BLC, what is it doing? We're at 310. It's at 29 or 29. I'm gonna jump out of that one just because it looks like it's going directly down. XERS, bears are in control there. Hardcore out of that one. Don't want to take a huge loss there. Yeah, AFRM just screwed me big time. I just lost $10 on that one, and that's the one I'm not going to get back. So P&L's looking. So I'm down 14 today. 14. BBI looks like it's moving up. That's on me because AFRM was a rocket ship. Surprised that didn't go a little bit harder, just because one, the volume the volume alone. So it just seems like as soon as these things today, people are just taking profits very quickly. But stocks are not directionally turning over though. And that's good to see. I am seeing stuff go sideways just like the macro is doing. Directionally sideways, in fact. That's what I'm seeing the most of. KDNY is grinding 460. It's in end of day profit taking. Because so this would tell me, guys, that if we don't see a sell-off, but there's no, we're seeing ignition and liftoff, but we're not seeing a lot of carry through on our rockets, which tells me people want that money in their pocket, and there's nothing wrong with that. We talk about this all the time. We don't trade just to make profit to put back into the market. We trade to take profit and then put a little bit more back into the market. That's what we do, right? Playing with the house money at some point. You got to put money in your, if you're not putting money in your pocket, you're not trading right. Okay. Clearly the P&L today, I'm down 14, and you're going to have days like that. But this is YOLO hour. Like, if I was going to do this right, I'd have started probably at 10 o'clock, jumped on some grinders, and just seen how far I could let them grind. Or I'd be on like the minute, the 2-minute chart, and then trading heavy. That's how you do it. In fact, that's how if you want to be a great trader, and this is your full-time job, exactly what you want to do is you want to trade heavy and a 1% to 2% move, and you jump out. That's exactly how, and then you're done by lunch. Got some good grinders here, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty impressive today. The grinding that's going on, far more than yesterday for sure. HBM is now looking like it's turning over. IBRX is grinding higher. CERS is grinding higher as well, and we're down towards the end. We'll start to move back up here. So if it's not grinding, it's turning over right now is what I'm seeing. IONS, we just talked about that one grinding. Trying to see if we can move a little faster. CLNE is grinding. It's just up 3%, but it looks like to finish strong. We are 5 minutes away, guys. 5 minutes away from the bell. So start looking at your positions. Are there any positions you want? IMH, guys. IMH. I don't know if it's got. I don't think it's got the volume, because I think we've done this one before. IMH. I guess start jumping out of these that aren't making money, because I only got 5 minutes left, and if it's going to take a lot to turn around. STEM got me today too. That's on me, man. We got a lot on me today, and that is not good. IPA, what are you doing to me? Did pull back and pivot on the IPA. We'll jump out of it as well. Do I have anything green? Damn it. BLCM, I thought I got rid of you. Sell off, you punk. I think that's what. Yeah, I'm down 14, guys, and I've been. Let me look. Yeah, IPA. Gotta close it. VBIV. I've got nothing. Oh, why is BLCM not closing? Close out. All right, gonna go back to it just really quick, guys. We've got 4 minutes left. Let's see. I'm going to just run through these. I'm going to tell you the ones that are finishing strong. Finishing strong as we're back at the top. UGRO looks like it's going to finish strong, up 9%, and it's looking like it's continuing to grind up. Same with SPSC. At the expensive stock, it's up 1%. PMCB has gone PMCB. Let's see what we can get out of it. PMCB. I'm going to keep some of these overnight, guys, just to look at a theory of mine. Why is BLCM not closing out? Close the effing trade, bro. Damn. And this is paper trading. That should be simple. All right. Let's go back to this real quick. See what's finishing strong. AUDC finishing strong. STEM is turned down. Not finishing strong. It's finishing stronger as it was. TASK finishing strong. FLYW, Fly W finishing strong. SSY looks like it'll finish strong. NGL looks like it'll finish strong. Again, that's not natural gas, guys. Good company. We've got some going sideways. Sky T up 10% and still grinding. Up here at the top, we've got a lot of grinders. SENS, that's been good to us throughout this year. Grinding. KDNY grinding, going to finish strong. We've got 2 minutes here. I cannot believe we're already done with YOLO Hour. It's crazy. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I'll stay on here. Oh, CEI has done a hell of a job. CEI, not a rocket today, but it did grind up. It will probably finish strong too. LXU finishing strong. OEG, which is a oil and gas company, looks to finish strong. Tasha, TSH, that is a biotech, up almost 5%. Looks to it to be finishing strong. It got by the way, Tasha got awarded the FDA in Europe, whatever it's called. It's called a commission, and one of their drugs was commissioned to go to like phase 2 or something. I saw that this morning or yesterday. Mara finishing strong. Of course, that's a blockchain or mining stock, if you would. WTI finishing strong. That's crude. Surf finishing strong. Gray finishing strong. Anything from you guys? No. We got Wrecker looks to finish strong, but it just turned down a little bit. Novak NVAX looks like it may finish strong per Anik. Yeah, it's holding profits, which is good. I think NVX is probably because they the booster shots. So either they got good news, or the whispers are it's going to get good news. So we are just in the session. Let me go through here again, guys. If you have any questions right now, now's the time to ask. LTSH finished strong, up. Record fell off. View finished real strong, guys. View for tomorrow may finish real strong. I need to go look at my P&L. Looking else, what else grinding up? Oh, Joan, Joan. Again, that's a retail stock, finishing strong. ET&B, one that I held for a long time, finishing strong. IMH did a rocket and is now turned back. I wouldn't say that's a real strong finish. Ramp had a strong finish, up 30, only up 3.5, but finished strong. Cha-ching, great profit today on GOED. James Hill, good to hear, man. I love when you guys profit. Congrats to you, my man. Fireworks, brother. The fire emoji, whatever. Good. It's a good. Hey, you know what? It's a good day when you can finish in profit. On days like this, you want to get more. I'm about to go check my profit and loss. Oh, look at which one is that? VBIV, which we're still in, finishing real strong. So, and CERS finished strong as well. Billy Britton, 6% on the day here. Cheers, man. Cheers to you, Billy. If you guys would hold on one second, let me see what my positions are here. All right, BLCM, I don't know why it's not letting me out. I'm not going to count that one. So I am down basically $14 today. And Affirm is why, just because it was such a, I believe is that an expensive stock? PCM, that finished way in the red. That's not good. I may keep the rest of these. Zella, Zella, what's going on here? I'm going to keep Zella. That didn't look bad. BBI, I'm going to keep. PMCB, did I not just get rid of it? Close out, thank you. IP, got to close that one, even though it's up. So, why is that a short? What is this one doing? No, okay, guys. Next time I trade IMH, you got to let me know, because that thing has burned me more times than I can shake it. Just want to get. Now this one's weird. B square. It's sideways. I don't want to take the overnight risk. We'll get out of it and close that one. It looks like the BLCM thinks I took a short position, which I did not. Let's get out of that one. And we're out. I am down $16 today after being up, 36, 34 yesterday. So any last thoughts? All right, with that being said, let me go through. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, James Hill. Thank you, Billy Britton. Thank you, Atil, for being on here. Thank you, Anik. Thank you very much. Billy and James did very well. Billy was up 6, and James, you're probably up about 13% today on GOED. Really quick, if you guys want me to look at the latest insider buys, we can look at that. We'll see if anything came in. Matrix has come in. It was traded today. That would be one that I would look at. So he is still underwater on that trade. MTRX. Let me look real quick. MTRX. TRX. I'll diagnose. So y'all can watch me diagnose this. So today it was up 6%. So he bought today, but he's still down in the trade. Now here's the thing about this, guys. So there's not a lot of risk reward here. So it's at 1044. It's probably going to get turned back or come into some serious resistance at 1070. It's only 30 cents away. I don't know if this would be I can see why it might be a good buy. Maybe he knows something that I don't, but you're looking at 30 cents. And then let's just say if it breaks through that, which is saying a lot, because you've got the 20-day right there, and you've got, I believe looks like the 50-day coming in, and then you've got the trend line. So you've got major resistance sitting at the 1070-ish, but then even if it runs, the most it's going to run is 1150, right? Because then you got some major resistance there. So $1, I don't know if this is going to go up. So to be clear, guys, this will go up tomorrow. But again, you're going to hit resistance at 1070-ish, okay? Just letting you know. Kanye, what's up? James 1250, is that what you made? Billy, yes, sir. It was a pleasure, sir. We'll see you tomorrow. Kanye, what your total today? Yeah, I lost $16 in YOLO. So what's a good long-term investment? Right now, CEI, well, long-term, any of the FANG stocks I'd stay in. I mean, just looking at the market as a whole, you really can't get around. I tell you one I like is MTTR. I do like that one. CEI was up 30% today. Good Lord. That stock is up now it's up about almost 400% in a month. But again, here's something, Kanye, you weren't on here when I said this. All-time highs beget all-time highs. So that's just what it is. So with your scanner, you want to go small float, high short interest, and you want to see 5% away from its all-time high. Those are the stocks that are going to continue to make all-time highs and continue to go up, right? You can play the Reddit stocks, the meme stocks, and those are going to pump ever so often. But my point is, if you want consistent returns, find you a couple of good stocks that continue to make all-time highs, and that's how I would do it. James said, "What are you saying? Percent? Sorry, yeah. I'm not sure. 12% today. Nice, man. Good job, James. So Kanye, we had James Hill made 12% today, which was good. We had Billy make. What did Billy say that he made? He was up 46% on ENSC, but during YOLO he was up 6%. So pretty good. Not our best day, but we didn't see a lot of. Well, we saw a lot of rockets, but a lot of rockets did not hold. They went parabolic. They got the morning wood, but they had to get out of bed and go pee. And so, we did not hold what we thought we would. So with that being said, guys, I really appreciate you. Thank you, James, Atil, Kanye, Billy, Anik, Joseph. Did I say Atil? Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate you guys being on here every day. We will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. With that being said, watch your six and you go hard in the paint. We will see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Friday.